Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn article writing and how to write an article for your school magazine. So, as you can see on your screen, if you are writing an article for your school magazine, then you are writing for your fellow students. अगर तो आप स्कूल मैगज़ीन के लिए आर्टिकल लिख रहे हैं, इसका मतलब आप चाहते हैं कि कौन पढ़े? आपके फेलो स्टूडेंट्स, यानी कि आपके क्लासमेट्स और स्कूल में जितने भी लोग हैं. And they are same age as you, right? They have the same outlook as you. It is like writing to a large number of friends. So I have few tips for you to write an article. Firstly, it should be a catchy title to get people interested. आपका जो टाइटल है वो इतना आई कैचिंग होना चाहिए कि वो इतना लोगों को इंटरेस्टिंग फील हो. Ask direct questions to get the reader's attention. Mostly to get the attentions you need to ask questions but directly. Use opinion adverbs to introduce your points. Give a real life example or talk about personal experience. या तो अपना personal experience mention कर दें article में या फिर कोई real life example उठा के बता दें. So it will going to get more interesting for the people who are going to read it. चूज़ अ न्यूट्रल और इनफॉर्मल स्टाइल. इनफॉर्मल यानी कि जो फॉर्मल होता है ना वो काफ़ी स्ट्रेट होता है, लाइक देयर आर फ्यू रूल्स यू नीड टू फॉलो, बट इनफॉर्मल में देयर आर रूल्स दैट यू मेक इट, राइट, डिपेंडिंग ऑन दी ऑडियंस. यानी आपके ऑडियंस पे या उनको न्यूट्रल पसंद है या इनफॉर्मल स्टाइल पसंद है. डिवाइड योर आइडियाज़ इनटू क्लियर पैराग्राफ्स. अब अपने आइडियाज़ को आपने पैराग्राफ्स में बता. वेरी फ्यू टिप्स that you need to consider while writing an article. Now moving on to the right approach. Do not be patronizing, यानी अपने आप को superior नहीं समझना और अपने reader को stupid नहीं समझना. Be enthusiastic about what you are writing about, as this will come across in your article. आप जो भी लिखें उसको बहुत सोच समझ के. Be convincing. Your article will be to encourage students to do something good or possibly new. यानी आपका आर्टिकल इतना पावरफुल होना चाहिए कि वो लोगों को encourage करे to do something good. Be interesting. If you do not do this, your piece will be boring and will not come across as well written. Personalize your article. Use we instead of I when you can. दिस विल इंगेज रीडर्स. यानी मोस्टली आपने आर्टिकल में वी यूज़ करना है. जहाँ पे आप कर सकते हैं, जहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते आप वहाँ आई ही यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू सो देयर आर फॉर्मेट like there is title, introduction, body, ending in your article. So these are the format that you should keep in your mind कि सबसे पहले title आएगा जो कि eye catching होना चाहिए, then your introduction, then your body, then ending. So the title is make sure it interesting. It is interesting. The more interesting the title, the more likely people will enjoy reading. Example, how to prepare for exam nervous cure. Read as many English newspaper magazines to get ideas for this. So for title आपने थोड़ी सर्चिंग करनी है, थोड़ा सा न्यूज़ मैगजीन्स और इन सबको देखना है to get more ideas. Introduction. You can start your article with a question. This makes readers relate the story to themselves. यानी कोई question से start कर दें. Question also gives a clue about what the article is about. The use of the word you also make also use one of many, as this makes the reader feel that they are not alone. Moving to ending part. The ending of an article should be short. It should have the same register as the introduction and transition. It should also summarize the article to express your own opinion and to leave the reader with something to think about. यानी एंडिंग में ऐसा कुछ लिख दें जिससे को जो रीडर है वो सोचने में कुछ मजबूर हो जाए, और आप इंट्रोडक्शन में कोई सवाल कर लें जिससे रीडर को थोड़ा सा टॉपिक के बारे में भी पता चल जाए और इंटरेस्टिंग भी हो जाए. Body of the article. Before you begin to write the article, decide in what register you will be writing it. It is very important that the body of your article contains the same register throughout. यानी एक ही चीज़ जो है वो कंटिन्यू में रहे, आप अलग अलग स्विच ऑन ना करें टॉपिक्स में. So for that you should be know about your article कि आप क्या लिख रहे हैं. School article, make sure your introduction is clear and explain what the article is about. At the end of the introductory paragraph question, use your transition sentence to bring the story back to formal language and the serious topic. आपने ending में थोड़ा serious हो जाना है. And finally the ending paragraph should have a similar language to the introduction. Got my point? Lastly, giving advice, making suggestions, find a light-hearted way to discuss this topic. Most readers will be familiar with the topic, so use want to make it interesting for them. Same layout, intro, transition, 3 paragraphs and ending. Use V to personalize your article. Try to add humor. आपने थोड़ा सा अपना humor भी add करना है to make it more interesting. So students, I hope this is going to help you as an introduction what is article writing and how to write an article for your school magazine. So inshallah in our next class we are going to use the book Smart English Workbook and we are going to write the article which is in there to write. So make sure to understand this very well. It will going to help you in writing an article and soon inshallah we are going to write it.